Come join me for a full tour of our balcony on the Carnival Radiance. Okay, so this is our room at a quick glance. I'm going to show you the bathroom first, which is right away as you step in the room. It's a typical bathroom for the older style Carnival cruise ships. You get the curtain for your shower. Shampoo and shower gel are provided. Everything else you have to bring yourself. It's a tight space, but it works. You get lots of shelving, a sink, and then some extra stuff in the bottom here. Across from the bathroom are the closets. First closet, you get some hanging stuff, some shelves, and then you have your fridge. Second closet, more hanging capabilities. And then the third closet is a little tight, not much space for personal stuff because you have the safe and the life jackets. Back in the main space now, you have the desk area. I'll show you the controls for charging. You have a 220 volt there, a couple 120 volts here, and then a couple of USB charging ports here. Got more storage in that area there, and then storage down there, and a nice ring light for the mirror. Hello. You may have noticed that we have a bunk bed set up in this room. There are 3 of us in this room. And when we first got here, our room attendant had told us that if we had this lower couch pulled out, which it is capable of being pulled out, it would leave less room in this area. So we decided to have the third bunk up instead. And that way it gave us a couch as well to use during the day, and then the bunk bed. This, like I said, can be pulled out instead of the bunk bed, but that's just how we went. But if you do this way, this person in this bed here must watch their head. I've been sleeping in this bed, and it's, I just trained myself to think before I got out of bed. Something else to mention about these 2 beds here, you can put them together, so it's just one big bed, or you can have them separated as we have, and they are 2 separate beds. There are controls for the room lighting at the beds. These are extra lights for reading, so if you turn this off, all lights in the room go off, so you can have your own individual light on for reading, which is kind of helpful. And then, I don't know if there's storage in here. Let's see. Oh, there is. Yes, right. We have our books in there. All right. And now I'm going to show you the balcony. I will note that we haven't been able to use the balcony much on this trip. Waters to Hawaii have been rougher than I'm used to, and it's been very windy. So just note that I may not be able to speak, and you may get voiceover once we are outside because of that reason. All right. It's fairly calm. This is our balcony. You get 2 chairs, a table, and you have full coverage above you and on both sides. And then I'm going to show you below. This stateroom was our home for an incredible Hawaii adventure. More videos are coming soon covering our cruise stops and everything you need to know about the Carnival Radiance. Stay tuned, subscribe, and join in the journey. Thanks for watching, and happy cruising.